Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishnan. As basically today we are going to talk about the Formula World basically. That is basically 20 part basically ongoing. Till 19 part we have already discussed lots of things basically. Today we are going to discuss about a little bit about basically this is Formula World basically and we are talking about the other than Formula things basically but it's connected with the Formula World only basically how the Formula World basically got derived basically. So here basically we are talking about the earthquakes basically. We are going to talk about what actually earthquake are and lots of see people see that earthquake is coming from downside basically down of the earth basically through tectonic plates. Then basically one person told that it's we will take this earthquake as in different way basically. Um, One person told that if I say that earthquake is not coming on the base of downside basically, downside is basically from down earth of tectonic plates, the earthquakes are not coming basically. Then it will be correct or not. Then basically one of the person told that it might be not possible also and it might be possible also. So the basically how basically the concept of earthquake is definition says that it's connected with that set of tectonic plates basically. Then one person told that it might not be possible and it can be possible. So one person given this definition as like this basically. One person told that for example one city is sitting at one city have around 600 kilometer in area basically. It's spreaded in 600 kilometer area and in 600-kilometer area, um, there are around 200 to 300 buildings, around 70, 80 complexes, 70 around 30 malls, around 400, 500 shops, small shops basically, and then basically around 1 lakh vehicles, and they have around 20 to 30 water lakes basically and like this basically around 20 lakh trees basically. So this is basically calculation of 600-kilometer area of one city basically. So one person told that this city is connected with which tectonic plates basically. Then basically the answer was basically he told that this is not connected with tectonic plates or anything basically. So the definition which previously told that it's connected with the tectonic plates. Then one of the person told that how it's possible basically. How the earth land is so much deep and how basically few set of tectonic plates can shake the earth planet, shake that city basically. Then one person told that it's not possible. So the definition told by another person was there are basically assume there are 30 power companies and energy companies are connected with city this city basically and what actually each and every buildings basically how they are spread it basically that we have already discussed. Spread means basically it's connected with the set of energy basically. So the building is standing at the on the support of set of power energy basically you can say. On the power energies and then set of energy the building is in the standing position. Like this basically 30 energy power companies and energy companies basically are there. They are basically giving the support to this city basically. So each and every trees, each and every buildings which are standing at the straight position that are connected with the power supply which is getting passed. So basically we can say that it's a method, pushing mechanism basically. So that energy company is pushing this city, not pushing this, pushing also we can say, pushing each and every objects basically, so that basically it does not gets in the fly mode basically. For example, we can take one example. There is one paper which has kept near the fan basically, and the fan is in full mode basically. If you want to if you don't want, if the fan is in full mode then paper will 100% going to fly. That is by default because the weight of the paper can't take that much energy and the air power basically which is getting passed through the fan basically. So we have to put some support in that paper basically. So that support we are putting from downside or upside basically. So that is basically from up only. So this example was taken by the one of the person. This is the best simple example. given by the person. So he told that the paper weight, according to the paper weight, basically he have to put something, some weight basically. So due to this weight, basically the paper was not getting flying, in not getting flow in the flying mode basically. So this was the example basically he has given. Like this, basically each and every buildings are standing, and that is getting basically supported and pushed by the set of power companies and energy companies. Due to this, basically the earthquake is not coming. Now, basically how earthquake comes, basically that means. So if we will say that set of formulas basically are are settled in this city. Due to that, basically the each and every power data basically which is getting passed to the city, that is in the entire stable mode. And due to that, basically each and every power which is supplied, that are in the stable mode also, basically you can say. Due to stable mode, basically the data is not getting unstable basically. Unstable means stable mode equal to set of formulas, set of power data which is getting passed in this city. So that is stable. If it's in stable mode, then basically it will not get earthquake. Basically, the building will be in standing position, the vehicles will be in standing position, the water lake will be in standing position, the trees will be in standing position. Each and everything will be in standing position. But unstable data sometime passed. Unstable means basically you can say some that data basically which was passed in that power supply by mistake, basically this might happen, or due to some metrics basically was not checked, or due to some other reason basically the unstable data was passed in the power supply. Due to that, basically the earthquake came. The city got some unstable power data. Due to that unpowered supply data which has got, one is what is stable data and what is unstable data. That are basically set of stories, basically you can say. That are basically how basically stable data is created, how unstable data are created. That also basically we are going to discuss in this formula part only. This so basically we assume that stable data, if the city gets, then basically there is no earthquake. And basically if unstable data is getting, then basically it's earthquake basically. So unstable data means what, and unstable data is how it's created. That we are going to discuss basically after some parts. Basically this is basically you can say it's 20 part only. So in, after few parts, basically we are going to see stable and unstable data, how basically they are created, and how satellites are connected with its stable and unstable data. That also we will going to say. So here we have saw that, and here basically we had a discussion that, and we here basically we had a talk that it's a earthquake basically. Earthquake is not coming because the stable data is getting passed in the city, and earthquake is not connected with the tectonic plates also. It's connected with stable data in the city which is getting passed. And due to the stable data which is passed to the city, due to that basically city, due to that power and energy data which is passed by the power companies and energy companies, due to that data the earthquake is not coming, and due to that data only earthquakes are coming basically. So basically here I am talking about earthquake. So earthquake is also one of the keyword which has connected to the formula word, basically you can say. Formula word is connected, formula set of few attributes and set of few formulas are created also on the base of earthquake also. So earthquake is also one of the word which has helped formula keyword to create their set of attributes and set of parameters. So PMP formula in PMP group have PMP groups has taken the help of earthquake word also to create set of formulas basically. How set of formulas, how set of attributes, how to set of formulas are doing plus minus, why they are doing plus in this, why they are doing minus in this, why they are doing division in this. That basically each and everything are connected with set of attributes, and set of attributes are connected with set of words basically. And this in this basically we have talked about one word, that is earthquake. what actually earthquake is, that we have already discussed. What actually really, how basically earthquake comes, basically lots of people says that it's a tectonic plates, but in real it's not tectonic plates. It's energy which is getting passed to the cities, and that are stable energy and unstable energy. So what are those stable and unstable, that we are going to discuss, how that is getting created, each and everything we are going to discuss basically in this basically formula word. So we are stopping here. In next video basically, that would be 21. This is 20 video, 20th number video. In 21st number video we are going to discuss little bit more about the formula word.